Well, hi, and welcome to Father, Son, and Skillet. I'm Alden. This is my son, Owen.
And this is a mixing bowl.
For those of you who have asked, it's from a late 40s, early 50s Hamilton Beach stand mixer set that I bought at a garage sale back when I was first setting up an apartment. The stand mixer died, but you can always use a mixing bowl. Today we're going to use that mixing bowl to make our version of fry sauce. So stick around on Father, Son, and Skillet.
So before we get started making it, you have to ask the question, what is fry sauce?
Well, when I was growing up in Utah, it was basically mayonnaise with ketchup in it, and you found it at burger joints all over the place. I don't know of anybody who really made it at home. But if you look in the internet, what do you find?
Well, you start with those ingredients, and to some purists, that is all fry sauce is. But you often find other ingredients. Common inclusions are Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, pickle juice, garlic powder, things like that.
Ours has very few of those things. So let's get started and show you how to make it.
All right. So the process is very simple. Dump and mix. So we start here with a cup of mayonnaise. I'm always fumbly about this. But that's pretty clear. All right. And then, to make it fry sauce, we have ketchup. Now, you may notice this isn't as bright red as some commercial ketchups. Yes, we make our own. That's coming in a later video.
Yep. As soon as we eat up what we've made.
And we made a lot.
Yes.
Now, instead of pickle juice, we still want some extra acid. And in this household, extra acid almost always means bitter orange juice.
Sour orange, bitter orange, naranja agria. It's really good stuff.
You may also sometimes see mustard. This is, again, our mustard cue.
We made that in a recent video. I'll put a link up in the upper corner so you can find the video real fast.
Hot sauce, garlic powder, no. Salsa brava. We've also done that for you.
Well, there's another link to look for. You betcha. And we will put a recipe down below in the description so that you can follow along and make this yourself. Next,
a little sweetness, honey.
2 teaspoons of honey.
That worked pretty well.
And just to balance things out.
And to make sure everything stays balanced, exactly. Half a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Just give it a little bit of extra kick.
All right.
And then it's just
mixy until you got it all nice and smooth. And
start slow so you don't sling the liquids everywhere until they start incorporating into the mayonnaise. But once you get there, you can be a little more vigorous. I like to sometimes do this just because it's fun. And there you go. Nice beigey pink color.
Great. Take one of our ubiquitous red plastic squirt bottles, add a funnel to it, and then we'll containerize this.
This is part of why we like these mixing bowls. They've got a nice pour spout. Yeah, that's probably going to be enough. Just don't let it get too full.
Yeah, this makes slightly more than the 12 ounces for this bottle. So, yes.
Actually. So make sure you've cleaned up the edges before you screw your lids on. Everything will be a little cleaner that way.
And we're done. So there you have it. Owen's Fry Sauce here on Father, Son, and Skillet. Now, if you like this video, be sure you click like down below and share the video with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and make sure you ring that bell. Ooh, we need more of that.
Yes, we do. But what he means is click the bell icon down below so you're notified when we post new videos.
That's right. And thanks for joining us on Father, Son, and Skillet.